Ayan, magandang araw po sa inyo. Dito naman po tayo, ang inyong lingkod, Jojo Antonio, ay aking lamang pong ibabahagi.
Thank you, Majority Leader. Thank you, Madam Speaker. I still recall some 50 years ago when former President Ferdinand Edralin Marcos Sr. speaking to us, youth leaders of the nation, saying he wanted to combine the wisdom of the youth with the foolishness of the old. He said, the greatest advantage of the youth is the right to make mistakes in the process of learning. Mayroon po kasabihan, pagka yung bata, kakamali, tumisan, nakakatuwa. Pero pagka yung matandang katulad ko, ang nagkamali, parang nakakabwisit na. We have already sanctioned Congressman Kiko with 60 days suspension. And in respect to my old friend, the late P.D. Barsaga, considering his youth, I can no longer vote for an extension of his suspension. Furthermore, there are lingering questions regarding members of this House violating conflict of interest, contractors, traders selling projects, yet we have not acted on them. In fact, we have tolerated them. What message would it send if we suspend those who fight corruption while allowing those who commit to remain untouched in this House? Some of the posts of Congressman Kiko I would submit as extremely reckless. Pero nakikita ko rin po, meron din po siya mga posts that reflects public sentiment. Kaya ngayon po, pinili ko ang magpatawad. Dasal ko, Panginoon, patawarin niyo po ako tulad ng pagpapatawad ko sa kapwa ko. Pinili ko, I chose to be kind. Not just to Kiko. Chose to be kind to the almost 1 million population of Dasmariñas, Cavite, the constituency of Congressman Kiko Barsaga. Salamat po.